Alright, in this video I'm going to be fixing another portion of the exhaust system on my Mazda. This time I'm going to be using JB Weld exhaust system sealant as well as a JB Weld muffler wrap product. Now it is raining while I'm doing this, so I'm pretty happy that I got a waterproof camera to film with. It is a GoPro 13, and so far I find it's pretty good. Now I do need to remove this metal plate that's underneath the vehicle. I think it's there to stiffen the vehicle a little bit, but it is blocking the exhaust system. And I don't show myself taking that off because that's just not going to be applicable to everyone's vehicle. I put my shop vac on blow mode and jam it up the tailpipe of the vehicle so I could show you where this thing's leaking. And you can see if I spray it down with some soapy water that it becomes pretty obvious where it's leaking from. Honestly, you don't really need the soapy water to make bubbles because there's so much air coming out, and it's essentially leaking where the other holes in my exhaust system were, and that is right on the hanger for the muffler and right between all the factory welds that were put onto that hanger. Now I did come in with a wire wheel and buff the exhaust up a bit, and now I'm just taking some of that JB Weld exhaust system sealant and just smearing it over the damaged area. Once I got a good smear on it, I let it dry for 20 minutes, and then I start the vehicle as per the instructions, which indicate to let the vehicle run for 10 minutes. And you can see that just doing a smear of that exhaust sealant did not solve the problem. It is absolutely blowing a ton of exhaust from between the catalyst and the resonator. Now this wrap actually does a really good job, and it comes with a few things. It comes with gloves, it comes with the wrap in this aluminum foil bag, and it comes with an aluminum tape, which is a pretty small amount of tape to give you. And as per the instructions, you just mix up the JB Weld with the wrap by squishing up the baggie. And now I wrapped this off camera, but you could see that I just wrapped it around the exhaust system. If there was no hanger there, I would just wrap it over the damaged area. But because the hanger was in the way, I did have to do a little crisscross applesauce action and just get it on both sides and all around the hanger. Obviously ensuring that I had a thorough coverage on the holes in the exhaust. I then take that aluminum foil tape and then just go wrap it up again. Now the instructions say that you could either just let it sit as is for a couple of hours or go start the vehicle and let it run up for 20 minutes to ensure that the wrap is fully set. So I went with the start the vehicle and run it for 20 minutes. After I ran up the vehicle for 20 minutes, I didn't really see any exhaust leaks. However, I still came back with the full tube of JB Weld and just used the entire tube of JB Weld on top of that wrap, and basically anywhere where there were cracks and crevices where there could be exhaust leak in the future, I just filled it in with the JB Weld sealant. And I used the entire tube of the JB Weld on this. I just absolutely lube it up just to make sure that any of the leaks get sealed. And I do have to work a little bit blind because I can't really see what's on top of the exhaust system. But anyway, I put a ton of extra JB Weld on here. The tube of the sealant cost about $10, and then the wrap cost about $24. So I'm into this about $35. Once again, once that JB Weld sits for about 20 minutes, I go start the vehicle and I let the vehicle run up for 10 minutes. Now as you can see, there's no exhaust coming from any holes in the exhaust system under the vehicle. And then after I take it for about a 20-minute drive just to get the exhaust super hot, and it's been about 2 weeks and I haven't seen any leaks come back. So overall, pretty happy with the JB Weld product. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.